Hello guys, and today we're gonna be taking apart this Ford Edge. So guys, welcome back to another day with me, and I'm right now taking this Ford Edge apart. I'm gonna be taking it apart, and with my dad's tools. I'm gonna be taking it apart with my dad's tools. And you know the tools. This is my toolbox right here. I drew with a paint marker, and I have a lot of tools here. I have extensions. Yeah, and I also took apart the PT Cruiser. It was amazing. And I took off the radiator support. I took off the battery.
Let's go show the PT Cruiser.
Yeah. So right now I took apart this engine, and it was in the lockup. And as you can see, like, the things that you want to know about this is because it actually was having a lockdown, and the reason why it was having a lockdown because it had like cylinder head damage and this piston damage.
So let's show the head damage. There it is. You could explain.
Okay, so this is the cylinder head damage. It's not that bad, but there's a little damage here. Like, these things, they actually broke off. This one's a little just blow up or something. Like, I think when this happened, I think the engine acted like it blew up or something.
So whose PT Cruiser is this?
Okay, so this is my PT Cruiser. My dad gave it to me just to take it apart. I was learning a bunch of stuff, and I took this all by myself, but Dad helped me. Took off the radiator support. I took off the wipers, and I actually...
Well, you took everything apart over here pretty much. Yeah. All of this stuff is you're doing. You're taking apart all of this stuff here, and the engine, and the rear subframe, and all of these lights and interior. You've taken all of this stuff apart yourself.
I took the interior.
So all of the stuff is you're doing.
Yeah, I have a power drill right here. This is all what I have here. This is what I done.
Oh.
Alright guys, so right now, this Ford Edge, it wasn't being on fire, but it was in the parking lot. It was sitting next to a burning car, or maybe it was like sitting behind like the house, and the house was being burning down, and maybe the Ford Edge was sitting next to a burning house. So
yeah, because this side did not burn.
Yeah, it's good.
But that other side did. So what are you gonna do to it today?
We're gonna take it apart and see how many parts we have already.
So what are you gonna remove in this video?
I'm gonna remove the
hood,
the bumper, the headlights, the radiator supports. I'm also gonna remove this and this. Yeah,
that bumper. And you're gonna remove a couple fenders, and that's going to be what the video is gonna be about.
I'm gonna try to remove the taillights. Like, I removed the taillights from the PT Cruiser, and I'm gonna see how difficult it is on this Ford Edge.
Okay.
But since I was taking apart the PT Cruiser, I have enough. Since I took apart the PT Cruiser, now I'm good enough to start on the Ford Edge. So let's get started. Okay guys, we removed the hood, as you can see, and right now I'm taking apart the headlights. The headlights might not be good because of this stuff. Like, we won't worry about that. At least it holds. Oh. Now, I just learned one thing.
Why? You could give the bolts to me.
Come on.
It's not on. Good job.
Good. Oh.
So it's still attached.
Oops.
It's okay.
Sure that will fit.
It's a number 10. You could fit it.
think a number.
So in the back of it, it's spinning over here because it's that other thing. So we need some pliers to hold this.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah,
nice.
but you could remove whatever you want.
On this port edge?
Anything. Well, yeah, well, of course. So you got a number 10. You can start removing fenders, anything you want to remove. This will save you time because you already have that same tool. You could give the bolts to me.
Yeah.
You're doing awesome.
Good. Now
You definitely gained a lot of experience by working on the PT Cruiser by yourself.
yeah, the windshield.
Oh look, it's almost off.
Wow.
There's more to remove, so you could leave that one alone. It's not holding anything. You already removed that. You could remove this little thing. That's too small. That's an 8. It's okay. You don't need to remove it now.
That's an 8.
What's up, Jason?
Ah.
You want to take it apart as well?
Yeah.
Go get yourself a drill.
Go get your. Get your.
I'm gonna just part them sell it.
Yeah, that's a radio support.
We're gonna clean off the.
Okay.
These wires are all bad now. They're all
Yeah.
bad. We.
Oh,
Oh, that's a hinge. Good job.
took something up.
You're doing great, Kevin.
Just melted a little bit.
I'm doing
here.
something in this thing.
Oh, don't do the engine just yet. Leave the engine alone for now.
The engine looks quite fun.
Only take the fenders apart and
It looks so bad.
no.
I wonder who it is.
You're gonna take the hinge off.
Dad, look, Dad, this is bad. This is bad too. This is bad.
That plastic is no good anyways.
Dad, this is not good. Because we could actually.
There's one of the fender bolts that's over there. So some of these are skinnier, like I think that's number 8. Which one do you have right now?
Dude, I have a number 10, but this still works.
Yeah, but it's gonna strip the threads. So try to see if you could remove these number 10s. No, you got 2. Remove this and that number 10. You sure that's number 10?
Yes, it is. It is a weird.
No, that's an 8. So
Oh.
remove this one. Kevin, remove it here.
Oh.
It's okay.
Whew. Never got a remote.
Okay, now put the number 10 on there.
Dad, I'm standing.
Yeah, good job.
Look, I'm standing on the bumper. We're
Mm-hmm.
back. I'm gonna check. I see glass already. Right there. Why is the glass is shattered? When this car was here, the glass wasn't shattered.
I was. Well, maybe it got shattered.
Okay, now where is the number?
Oh,
What is that?
that's glass.
Glass, okay. Be
I
careful.
think this kind of number 11.
I'll show you what we could sell too.
So we could just remove
So see
the
if
bottom.
see on the other side if those are removed. Kevin, come here. You have this to remove.
This glass is really bad.
So remove that. I already removed the plastic for you.
These sweepers are very bad.
No, just don't touch them for now, Jason.
Yeah.
Leave them alone,
These
okay?
are wipers.
Wipers. These wipers are bad.
That's a special filter. That filter costs like $50.
We could sell it for parts.
So can you see if all the bolts are removed to remove the bumper cover?
Filter
Okay, give the bolts to me. Pull on the bumper, see if it comes loose, because I don't know if it's disconnected. It looks like you got to disconnect at the fenders.
Oh, Dad. Hey, Dad, this is Dad.
No. Don't pull on the fender.
Dad,
It's damaged anyways.
Dad. Hey, Dad.
Just don't damage the fender, okay?
Yes!
So now you could start removing the whatever's holding the light.
Dad, I'm gonna put it right here. Dad, look, can I put it here?
Yes, you can.
Parts. Parts are very good. They're nice.
Okay, give the bolts to me. Okay, come on this side. There's some over here.
Okay, this is a little bit big.
Okay, give it to me.
Start removing this. Goodness.
Let's take this off. Man.
So it looks like this light assembly is also melted.
But it's a little bit.
Over here, take that one off. Can you do it?
Yeah, but the light is still good, Dad. It's still good.
I can't.
Okay. So you're gonna need to disconnect those. You know how to do it?
Oh, yeah, that's
This instead.
Yeah, the wires have melted.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're not gonna work now.
Got the light disconnected.
The light almost looks good, but wow, the housing of it got melted. Only this is good, but this is fine. This is fine. We're gonna.
Get the holder. The holder.
Yeah, something is holding it pretty
look.
much.
Well, it's first of all it's melted, and then you gotta remove some of these bolts here that's holding this stuff.
Dad, look, we could take this off.
Yeah, you can, but you need pliers in the back to hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's okay. Let's do.
Okay.
Okay,
I have found something here that I can take off.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So whatever you see, you could just take off.
this is also bad too.
Yeah, it holds the fender. Well, that's a fender bracket.
Fender brackets.
Okay, just put it in the box.
Yeah, the box holds the parts.
Oh, yeah. Dad, come here.
Got some more of them.
Dad, let me take that apart because I found it. Dad,
Okay.
I'm going to take this apart because I
Okay.
found it.
You could take it apart. We're going to need to remove. We're gonna need to open up the door and get some of those other bolts. You got it.
Whoa! Dude. Amazing. Whoa! Yeah,
So disconnect the wire
or cut it.
or cut it. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it later. Yeah, we need to bring some pliers in here so that we can cut some.
Bro, this is taken apart.
Wow. So that one's off. So we just need to take this one off.
Okay, that's
It's not spinning.
yeah. I'm just yeah.
Okay.
This will have to actually melt some more and get a stick.
Maybe we need to bring a hammer.
Yeah.
By the way, Kevin, you can remove any of the stuff that's burnt. You can start removing all of this stuff.
Yeah,
Okay, anything that's burnt, remove it.